Hello class, let's get going on this quick demo on Microsoft Project and how to put the St. John Hospital application into Microsoft Project. So once you've begun the Microsoft Project application, and you'll see the screen that you're seeing right now, and the first step that you need to do is type in all the different activities, if you would, that you can see in this one. So now you can see that my ribbon is minimized, so I can minimize and maximize the ribbon. So I'm going to maximize the ribbon so I can see where things are, and I'm going to type in the different activities. So you can probably fast forward this as you go forward, but I'll just do one, and then once I've typed all the different activities in, you can fast forward. Actually, I'll actually pause, and then um, once all the activities are added in, you can go ahead and look at them. Anyway, so let's get going. So the task name, the first one is St. John's Hospital Project, and I enter. So right now I'm not setting a duration as of this point. Again, start has a 0 duration, and the next step is organizing. And site prep. Again, this is a major task, so this has no time that is put onto this. And the next one is and the duration for this one is 12W or 12 weeks. And actually, I'll make that a capital A. So what I'm going to do is pause, and then I'll add all of those different activities in, like you just saw, and then I'll show you the next step. Okay, welcome back. So I've added all the different activities to the Microsoft project. So you can see that I've added the activities here, and then here's the different durations for the different weeks. Now you can see that I've not added anything for the facilities and infrastructure because that's a milestone project. And then again, I have nothing for the organization and site prep and for St. John's. So what I'm going to do now is select the activities under the first milestone by clicking on the left hand column. Well, this is actually the row numbers, and then selecting the indent task, which is Alt Shift Right. So once I do that, all of that actually get pushed underneath organizing and site prep. And then I do the same thing for infrastructure from G to K, and then I also indent that out, and then I select everything from start to finish and indent all of that out together, so it goes under St. John's as a single project. So that essentially is kind of a quick overview, if you would, of the total duration of this project, if you would. And the next step that I'm going to do is add the predecessors, and again, you can look at this information from the book. The predecessor for A is start, and then you look at this number 2, and then you put that number 2 right here. So as you start doing that, you'll see that it automatically is populating all the different dates for the different activities, if you would. And then the prereq for site prep is also 2, and then it's 4, and then I'll just go on and add all of them in. So just bear with me here while I put this in. And then for install equipment, it's 8, 11, 12, 8, 11, 12. And then for K or train staff, it's 9, 13, 14, 9, 13, 14, and then for the last one, it's 15. So that's your different predecessors. And now we'll go ahead and add the resource names. The resource names, how you can go ahead and add them is you won't find them on this right here. You really need to go to the resources tab, and now you need to assign resources, and then you add your resources here. So for example, there's a couple of people that are involved in this project, and you add their names and then you assign them to different places. For example, the main project lead for the whole project is Kramer, and then so on. So you would add all of those in, and I won't go ahead and add all of them, but I'll ask you to do that. So here's the different steps, if you would, to get to the Microsoft project. And now you can do different views. For example, you can go to a network diagram. So this will show you the network diagram on how different activities get started out and then get finished up as well. You can also look at a Gantt chart view, I'm sorry. And again, you can zoom out so you can see the whole extent of the project. And again, you can shift, I think you can drag and drop this here. Anyway, so you got a sense of how to get to this point, and this is all I'm looking for this one. So, alright, thanks and hope this works out for you. I'll see you later.